Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to see your card number on TD Bank app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. TD Bank lets you manage your card via TD Bank mobile app, but you can view the full 16-digit card number. There you can only see the last 4 digits. So these are for the security reasons TD Bank provides. Now what you can do is you can wait for your physical card, or you can use a virtual card, or simply call the TD Bank customer service at 1-888-751 and 90000. Then once done, all you gotta do is, now in order to see the 4-digit number, what you can do is simply head over and open up the TD Bank app. Then once you're inside there, simply look for card manager or tap your debit or credit card icon. Then select your card and you'll see its last 4 digits and full control options. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.